Hey, I'm Captain Bill Boliek, a South Florida native and a full-time fishing guide with over 40 years of experience fishing the Florida Everglades. I've spent decades learning these waters, and whether you're targeting largemouth bass, peacock bass, clown knifefish, or snakehead, my goal is to put you on fish and make sure you have a great time doing it. I enjoy fishing with anglers of all experience levels, and especially like teaching new anglers both time-tested techniques and modern approaches that help you catch more fish. You'll be fishing from my custom 22-foot storm bass boat powered by a Mercury 250 Pro XS 4-stroke, built for performance, comfort, and getting into the best fishing areas safely and efficiently. I like to start early, but I'm flexible with start times and happy to work around your schedule. More than anything, I'm here to make sure you enjoy your day on the water, catch fish, and leave with a great experience. If you're ready to explore the Florida Everglades, click the Book Now button below for pricing and availability. Book your trip with Captain Bill, and let's go fishing.